Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use a McDonald's gift card on Doordash. First, it's important to know that you cannot add a McDonald's gift card, also known as an Arch card, directly to Doordash. Doordash only accepts official Doordash gift cards as a payment method. Restaurant gift cards, including McDonald's gift cards, are not supported. If you want to use your McDonald's gift card, you will need to place your order through the McDonald's app instead. To begin, open the McDonald's app on your iPhone or Android device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from your device's app store and sign in to your account. Next, tap the Profile or More tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select Payment Methods or Wallet, depending on the version of the app you are using. Tap Add a Payment Card and enter the number from your McDonald's gift card. After entering the card details, save it to your account. Now, build your order by selecting the food and drinks you want. When you reach the checkout page, review your payment methods and make sure your McDonald's Arch card is selected as your preferred payment option. Then place your order to complete the purchase using your available gift card balance. So, while you cannot add a McDonald's gift card to Doordash, you can still use it by ordering directly through the McDonald's app. Thanks for watching.